Okay, so this morning we're doing our cold start video on our 2000 year model Land Rover with 52,000 miles. And you can see it's not very cold this morning, 75 degrees, but engine's stone cold. So we're going to start it up and let you hear how it does on the cold start. And then we are going to take it for a highway drive. Okay, so let's go ahead and get her started. And let's see here. So first thing we're going to do is bulb check on all the trouble lights. Then we're going to start it up. Let you listen to Okay, so let's take it for a drive and we'll see how she does. So this will be our highway drive video. Okay, I'm about to flip the camera. Sorry about that, folks. Didn't have the camera positioned like I should have. I'll have to fix it in post-production. Okay. Rolling up the back windows that I had down. Truck rolls away from the start. So we're a few minutes into our ride. We'll check on our gauges, see how temperature is coming up. You can see, now we're up to temperature. Take a minute or two to get out on the highway. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to do our 0 to 60 test part of the video. And so, engine is fully up to temperature at 175. I've got a 170 degree thermostat in this truck, so that's about what it runs. Our traffic light is turned red on us, so now we can go ahead and pull up to the light and do our 0 to 60 test. Oh crap, when the light changes, so we'll need to change it. We'll need to stop again and let the light change on us again, so we can do a 0 to 60 test. Okay, the light has changed. We're going to pull out and let you hear what sounds like to go 0 to 60 on this truck. Okay, there's 60. Truck runs pretty good for a 25-year-old. So here we are going about 60 miles an hour. We'll go on up to 70.